I'm Luke Harris, I'm 20 years old, I'm a Year 3 apprentice here at Silverson and I started in 2014. So since Year 1 I spent 6 months in milling and then I spent 6 months in turning and 6 months in inspection. This March I moved down here into assembly and from there I hope to progress further around the factory. My working day starts at 8 o'clock. I usually get here a little bit early just to give myself some time to set up, get myself comfortable and ready for the day. I start with whatever job I was given the previous day, or I will go speak to Charlie for a new assignment and I'll go from there.
The stand is actually already in stock, so
working on the shop floor is different every day. Lots of challenges, things to overcome. The other day I was building a 450 and the seal was faulty. We had to find out what was wrong. We had to take the machine apart, rebuild it, find the faulty components and try and solve the issue. Another assignment was to build a batch mixer. This is from scratch, so we get the motor and all the components machined here. I will clock the motor, check everything's flat, and then I will assemble the parts together, make sure everything's clean, make sure everything runs smoothly. It's very interesting, different jobs to do. Everyone on the shop floor is brilliant, you know, and it's just an enjoyable environment to be in.
Oh, yeah.
Every machine we get, we have to fill out the machine manual. We have all the information on the machine order, and every motor we get in has a motor label. We have to fill out all the machine information so that we have our own record for future reference. Health and safety is a big part of what we do here, so we do have strict health and safety guidelines. All the correct PPE must be worn at all times, especially when grinding. All the airborne particles and dust is harmful to inhale, so we do ensure that we wear the correct PPE at all times. To complete the third year successfully, we have to carry out write-ups of all the projects we do. We have a certain criteria that we must fulfill, and the write-ups are a way of providing evidence to show that. So when building a machine, I will write down step by step how to build the machine. I will then produce a technical drawing and that will all be filed, and our external verifier will come and check that, and if all is well then we pass Year 3. While working here I do see myself progressing into different roles. Two sections that left a big impression of me was my 6 months in inspection, and while I'm here in assembly now, I would hope to progress into one of these areas when I finish my apprenticeship. It would really interest me.